Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, today I bring you this Maisto 1/18 scale 2022 Audi RS E-tron GT. So as many of y'all might notice, this model, which I got at Sam's Club, isn't what we've seen for the first wave, and kind of confusing. I don't know. This is actually from a second wave that we got from our local Sam's, but I haven't seen any videos out on the second wave of Maistos at Sam's. I haven't seen it. I don't even know if we were even supposed to get the second wave this year. Maybe a thought, and I don't know, I could be wrong. Maybe all these Sam's are getting them, but YouTubers just haven't found them yet. But maybe Sam's Clubs aren't buying the second wave like they always used to back in the day, and even just last year. I just don't know. And I went to another location the other day, and I still didn't see any of them. I just saw the old couple castings. There was a Bugatti Divo and the yellow one, and the what was the other one? The Bugatti Bolide. And the weird thing is that Costco has already done a. I've seen many Costco videos, and actually our location's going to get them in just next week, so that's kind of interesting. That's going to be very cool. Hopefully, get the good wave. But that is a lot of excitement to come. But right now, this is a very nice new model. This is a new release for 2023, the Audi e-tron GT. So let's go ahead and get on the box and show you what it's like. So like I said, this is a new model for 2023. Like I mentioned in the early part of the video, kind of a weird situation here with Sam's Club. Costco seems pretty normal so far. Haven't got ours in our local location yet, but hopefully will in the next couple, I think they said in the next week or so, so that'll be good. But here is the e-tron. It's actually a Barago casting, branded in a Maisto box, sold at Sam's, but they do that a couple times with some cars. But very cool. Haven't seen a ton of kind of videos and information about this e-tron, but here's a first glance at it. Very, very nice and cool looking car. Of course, you do have the opening front hood, or I should say trunk, or frunk, which I know some people like to say. This is a fully electric Audi. So you have a frunk in here, a front trunk. Fully electric, and this is the top of the end e-tron GT model, the RS, which means you have the fastest power, similar to the Plaid, the Tesla Model S Plaid, similar. Very, very neat opening trunk. Very cool model. Actually have a panoramic sunroof, which is really cool, like you'd see in the real car, and of course opening doors. So, like I said, this was kind of a shorter video. I'll go ahead and actually show you this other side part of it. But his wheels are actually kind of cool too. So like I said, I got this model from my local Sam's Club for around $18, which for any Maisto model or any 1/18 scale models is an absolute steal. I don't know of any other place where you can get a 1/18 scale model new for under $20, which is it's crazy, and it's an amazing deal, and especially when you have this chance to get these kind of new exclusive models. So there's a kind of quick look at that Audi e-tron GT that I got from Sam's. There's your box, same special edition box like all the other Sam's Club models. And you can always tell if it's a Barago by that sticker right there. If next to Maisto it says Barago, it's probably a Barago model. But yeah, so, a little more information about that whole thing with Sam's and Costco. I think it's kind of a weird thing. And a lot of YouTubers, I posted in their videos even, evidently the duck wants to say a couple words, but ignoring him, or her, whoever it is. But yeah, so Costco has some very exciting models, I think, to come, like the, what is it called? I've heard the Hummer H1 has made a comeback with the 10th anniversary. The, what was the other one? And the Porsche, another Porsche, Lamborghini Urus, models like that. But some re-releases and kind of new releases to come with Costco. Go check out, I don't have a video up quite yet, but hopefully will in the next week or so, but fingers crossed about that. I want to get a couple models there, which you'll see. And I actually got 3 models at Sam's Club this time, which this is the first one. You'll see 2 more. I made a YouTube short about the ones I got, so you can take a quick look at that after this video. But yeah, so here's a kind of close-up look at this e-tron. I think it's a very neat-looking car. Obviously, I will be doing a review on this Audi e-tron in the coming week. So, a very kind of interesting situation here, but, it's always something. So, there you go. So, very cool model. Definitely excited to be doing a review on this in the coming week or so. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, hit the like button as well. A lot more content will hopefully continue for quite some years to come. Unboxings, reviews, and hunting, and holy moly, when I say hunting, thank you so much for the amazing amount of views on that Hot Wheels hunting video at Walmart. 18,000 views at the right here at the moment. Just amazing. And another shout out to just thank you so much for the amount of subscribers I have right now. I think it's about 157 or so right now. Just thank you so much for the support, guys. And I will be making a video solely just on that. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching my videos, and please continue to watch them. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video of this kind of very neat and kind of exclusive 2022 Audi RS E-tron GT, long name there, but unboxing of this Maisto 1/18 scale model that I got at Sam's Club. So put in the comments down below if you're kind of in the same boat with me, kind of confused with the situation at Sam's, and if you have the second wave at Costco in yet, because I just don't know really too much of what. Hopefully we're going to get the good models. Also hear there's a re-release of the BMW M5 too, so pretty neat stuff to come. This year is going to be pretty good with Costco. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and put in the comments down below what you think about this model and the and the real car. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.